connecting with jive, boy, say shout. When it hits you, yes, in the air, yes, yes, you shout. When it hits you, yes, in the air, yes, when it hits you, yes.
Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. We're out here today at Somerset, Kentucky for Truck Nationals, as you can see. It's a pretty good turnout so far, and we did road trip the muscle truck the entire way. It was a 3.5 hour drive. Surprisingly, with this 5-speed, guys, even with about 400-ish crank horsepower, we were getting about 14.5, 15 miles per gallon. I averaged about 11 on a city highway, 11 to 12 city highway combined. So honestly, it was a little better than I thought. I was thinking like 7, 8, and it almost like it nearly went double what I thought I was gonna get. So I figured I'd get like 7, and I'm getting really about 14 or 15 with some highway driving. So pretty impressed with that. But if you guys haven't been down here yet, be sure and check out Somerset, Kentucky's Summer Nights. You can find them on Facebook. It's a huge event. There is probably over, in this line alone that I'm in, there's probably 200 trucks in it, and I'd say there's at least another 200 to 400, maybe more than that, up here in the showcase. It's kind of hard to see it from here, but way up here is the downtown area that they closed down for this event, and it's pretty popping right now. There is a lot of people here, so, and then they've even got a chance to win a 67 C10, so who knows, maybe we'll put our name in the hat and add another truck to the channel. But that would be like a dream come true to win a 67 C10. That's kind of what I've been looking to do next. So anyways guys, let's get through registration and we're going to show you guys around. Alright guys, made it out here to Summer Nights Cruise, so this is going to be pretty awesome this year. There's already a ton of people here. They keep rolling in. So we're going to give you guys some more shots of some of this stuff here. But be sure and check this place out on Facebook. Definitely worth the drive here for sure. So truck did pretty good though, no real issues with her. Clutch got a little hot coming up the big hill to come in here. Stop and go traffic. Other than that though, pretty good. Cooling fans are probably going to run for about another 5 minutes, maybe 10, but that's okay. Made it here in one piece though, no real issues, so pretty excited about that. But anyway, let's go check out some trucks, guys. Alright guys, so we made it back from our trip to Kentucky, and on my way back I couldn't pass it up, but I have finally decided to upgrade from the E4K to an actual vlogging camera. As you guys know, I've probably noticed in a lot of my vlogs that we have had some sound issues and it has only been playing out one side. Yes, I'm aware of the problem and I'm taking care of it right here. This is going to be a whole lot better quality for you guys, so audio is going to be improved as well as video. So anyways, tell you what, I'm actually so excited about this. Let's just go ahead and switch to it. Alright guys, so this is the new Sony a6000 camera, and I wanted to share this with you guys because this is like my first legit camera, and this is kind of part of that whole deal where we've hit 3,300 subscribers. This is kind of my thank you to you guys. I have done this in order to bring you guys better content, better audio, and just overall a better viewing experience of the channel and of the vlog. We have so many more things coming up on this channel that I could not turn down the fact that I needed a better camera, and I want to thank you guys for sticking around and going through sort of the struggles with the lower quality camera that I had. So this truck, I wasn't really sure how it was going to do on fuel, and I was kind of worried about reliability and a few other things, and I really shouldn't have doubted it, guys. I mean, this thing did great. I had zero issues all the way to Kentucky in it. And we started checking fuel economy, and this is the part that really blew my mind. This truck, city highway combined, I never really have checked it. I just anticipated it to be really bad with the, carburetor setup and everything that's done to it. So after I checked it, I was getting 11.6. Now I know in today's times, with the way muscle cars are now, 11.6, you guys are probably thinking, man, that's terrible. That's awful. Why would you be happy about that? Guys, that was like 4 more miles to the gallon than I anticipated. I was thinking like 7 or 8 if I was lucky. Like, I really thought 7, 8 miles per gallon was about all I was going to get. Ended up getting 11.6. Now it gets better. Okay. So, the other reason this thing was getting such good fuel mileage, this gear in the back is a 373. So, obviously, it's a good street gear. But the 5-speed in here is fantastic. This thing at 80 miles an hour, I couldn't remember what RPM I was turning, but it wasn't that bad. And I do know at 50, I'm turning about 1,600. So on the highway, guys, this was the coolest part. I was getting 15 miles to the gallon with a 375, 400 crank horsepower, 327. Getting that kind of fuel mileage out of it was really good, especially with a 650 quick fuel. I mean, that's a carburetor that's pretty aggressive, pumps out a lot of fuel. And I was really happy with that. So I will have to say that you guys may see this truck doing more road trips and getting this thing out a little further than just my little square here in East Tennessee. We may branch out and go into some other shows and other big trucking shows, such as Good Guys and a few other events like that. So if you guys know of any other shows that's kind of near the North Carolina, Kentucky, Alabama area, there's any big trucking shows or anything cool like that, let me know. I would love to attend, and I've actually considered, taking this truck even further than that. But for right now, we're going to stick to the East Coast. But, the point of this was just to illustrate what you can do with this thing. And I am super pumped about this truck. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know that we have finally upgraded, and we are now running a Sony a6000 camera. So I just want to personally thank you guys for sticking around, and subscribing. So anyways, if this is your first time stopping by, be sure and subscribe. Thank you for watching,